Happy May.
Happy May.
It's Women's Health Month, and this month our recipe box is Women's Health themed. So woman up.
Just like Wonder Woman.
So let's talk about what's in this month's recipe box. Every month we send out 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipes made by certified aromatherapists, plus the extras you need to make them. This month's box comes with tangerine essential oil, marjoram, Lady's Choice, and our new Good Vibes blend, which supports hormonal health and positivity. You'll also get labels for each of our 6 recipes.
Pretty recipe cards.
Each of our recipes comes with detailed instructions. You can also find videos online of us making them. And on the back, you can find some extra safety information. In this box, you'll also get lavender buds
For your bath.
a 1-ounce container, and a 3rd-ounce container that will hold your solid perfume recipe.
And for new subscribers, you get a big bonus box, which has all the contents that you'll need for the next 6 months worth of recipes. So it comes with a solid coconut oil, a fractionated coconut oil, fractionated almond oil, beeswax, and then 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-ons and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles so that you can make all your master blends.
All right, Shayla, what is your favorite recipe in this month's box?
I like the perfume that we created.
It's a good one. It's subtle and a little florally, a little citrusy.
It's perfect.
My favorite recipe is the complexion face serum because I love the glow it gives my skin. Plus my skin is really sensitive and this oil is really nourishing to it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about this box, head to simplyearth.com/box.
And make sure you subscribe today because they're selling out really fast.
With our boxes, you get access to our Simply Earth Recipe Subscriber Facebook group where you can ask questions and share ideas on how to use essential oils. You also get free access to our Essential Oil Hero course,
Which is super fun.
You'll learn tons of new ways to use essential oils and get the most out of every oil that you get.
And in that Facebook group, Katie and I are always in there answering questions, or other people will also answer them for you.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Woman up.